Introducing the Solutions Control Center Nexus, the reliable, simplified brain behind your system. The SCC Nexus stands apart in two important ways. First, non-proprietary components. Key parts, such as fittings and couplers, are readily available, often from a local hardware supplier, making service and replacement fast and straightforward. Second, independent valve control. Each valve operates independently, with built-in detection for electrical faults such as shorts or cut lines. Affected valves can be isolated and serviced without shutting down the entire board, keeping the rest of the system running. The SCC Nexus is also lens-enabled, allowing it to read critical operation data directly from the VFD that drives your booster pump. This provides real-time insight into pump performance, including pressure, with future expansion to error codes, temperature, and energy usage. Finally, the SCC Nexus houses the intelligence behind AccuPump, coordinating your chemical delivery system so every component works together seamlessly. The SCC Nexus, simple to service, built for reliability, and designed to be the control center your wash can depend on.